Hello, in front of me I've got KIA Ceed. In this video I'll show you all comfort features installed in this car. In the beginning, let's take a look at the boot. Firstly, we can see rear view camera while reversing, and the boot itself is spacious for hatchback car. Under the boot we can find spare tire with set of necessary keys and tools. Here we can find latches and space for hiding something. Take a look at the rear row of the seats. Also, it's pretty spacious for hatchback. Front seats are maximum backed off. In the middle of the rear seats we can also find cup holders. Now, take a look at the front interior. This car is equipped with automatic side rear view mirrors, folding, electric side rear view mirrors, automatic lights, front and rear fog lights, cruise control, speed limiter, and steering mode switch. Let me turn on ignition. On the instrument cluster you can find service info and all necessary tools. If you go to menu, you can also find doors settings, light settings with headlamp delay and auto triple turn, convenience settings like steering position safe, and other features like fuel eco auto reset. The car is equipped with huge and responsive radio display where you can find navigation, Bluetooth audio, and also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Car is also equipped with USB port, aux jack, and 2 power outlets. As I said earlier, it is equipped with reverse camera that you can adjust. In the glove box you can find cooler. The car is also equipped with parking sensors. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.